Hi, and welcome to this video. Let me start with a question. Have you ever plotted a GEOM point chart using ggplot, and if yes, then the result would have been something like this. What if we recreate the same chart, but this time it looks like this? You can see that this chart looks better, and gives more information at the first glance. For the same species there are different petal lengths, and you can clearly see the visual distribution also. So this chart is actually conveying more information, compared to our first chart. We will be using these packages. To install packages in RStudio, click on the Packages tab. Enter the name of the package. And click on Install. We are going to use the built-in dataset called iris. I am making a copy of the iris data to another data frame and called it as df. Let's view our data frame df. This is how it looks. We will use the sepal length and the species column to create our charts. I just want to create a vector of 3 colors, which we will use later in our charts. Here is a ggplot script to create a point chart, using the species on the x-axis and the sepal length values on the y-axis. Let's run the complete script and see the results. The chart looks fine. The Setosa species has 15 data points shown on the screen based on the sepal length. Yes, everything seems fine. But let's check what our data says. The data has 50 observations, or rows for Setosa species. So, what happened to the rest of the observations? Well, the chart has plotted all of them, but the values are so close that some of them have been overlapped. A single dot might be representing multiple values which are very close to each other. So there is nothing wrong with our chart, but can we improve it to convey more information than what it is conveying currently? One way to improve the previous chart is to make use of GEOM_jitter instead of GEOM_point. If I run the complete script, you would see a chart like this. It seems to be a bit of improvement from the previous chart. It displays all the points. The way it achieves is by jittering the points randomly, so that they don't hide between the other dots. It looks much better now. But we will go one step further and try to bring in more information in it. Let's see what else can be done to improve our chart. Okay, let me introduce you to a new type of chart. This is called gg.plot and this is available in the package ggpubber. Here is the syntax for creating this chart. When we run the script, here is the chart which we see. It seems to be a big improvement on our previous charts. You can clearly see all the data points, you can even see how many points are there for each value. This looks very clear and orderly and conveys much more information than our previous charts. Have a look at all the charts which we created today and decide yourself which one serves your need better. I hope you found this video informative and practical. If you liked it then please considering subscribing and liking our channel. See you in our next video.